Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Galaxy with Rajesh. In our previous videos, we discussed the end-to-end procurement process, the difference between procurement and purchasing, the types of procurement, and the complete procure to pay P2P process. Today, we are going to another important topic in procurement called vendor management and vendor evaluation. In this video, I will explain how companies select, evaluate, and manage vendors along with practical examples within my experience. So let's get started. What is vendor management? Vendor management is the process of selecting, onboarding, monitoring, and maintaining relationships with suppliers who provide goods and services to an organization. The objective of vendor management is to reduce procurement risk, improve supply performance, ensure timely delivery, control costs, building long-term relationship. In simple words, vendor management means managing suppliers effectively to achieve business goals. Why vendor management matters and important? Good vendor management helps organizations improve product quality, reduce costs, ensure timely deliveries, minimize supply chain disruptions, improve compliance and governance, build strong business relationships. Without proper vendor management, companies may face delays, poor quality, and increased costs. What is vendor evaluation? Vendor evaluation is the process of assessing suppliers before selecting them and continuously monitoring their performance. The objective is to ensure that suppliers can meet the organization requirements. Vendor evaluations should be conducted before supplier onboarding, during contract renewals, periodically to monitor performance. Key criteria for vendor evaluation. In key criteria, we have 6 key criteria. Number one, quality, pricing, delivery, financial stability, service and support, compliance. In quality criteria, we need to ask, can the supplier consistently deliver quality products or services? We may ask questions. Are the quality certifications available? What is the defect rate? Do they follow quality standards? Coming to the pricing criteria, is the pricing competitive? Questions to ask. Are the prices reasonable? Can the supplier offer discount? Is there an opportunity for cost reduction? Coming to the delivery performance criteria, sorry, financial stability criteria, a financial unstable supplier can become a business risk. So, questions to ask: is the company profitable? How long have they been in business? Do they have financial strength to support long term contracts? In service and support criteria, how responsive is the supplier? Questions to ask: do the vendor respond quickly? Do they provide after sales and support? Do they resolve issues efficiently? In compliance and certification criteria, check whether the supplier complies with legal requirements, tax regulations, environmental standards, information security requirements. Coming to the vendor evaluation scorecard, many organizations use a vendor scorecard. Example: criteria versus weightage. Quality 30%, price 20%, delivery timeline 20%, service 15%, financial stability 15%. The supplier with the highest score may be selected as the preferred vendor. Coming to the supplier performance management. Supplier performance management in vendor management does not stop after onboarding. Suppliers should be continuously monitored using KPIs such as on-time delivery percentage, quality defective rate, cost savings achieved, service response time, contract compliance, regular business reviews help improve supplier performance and strengthen partnerships. What you have learned. Let's quickly recap. Vendor management is the process of managing supplier relationship effectively. Vendor evaluation is the process of assessing suppliers based on quality, price, delivery, financial stability, and service performance. Selecting the right suppliers can significantly improve an organization efficiency, reduce costs, and minimizing risk. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. And one more thing, if you have not watched the previous videos in this procurement series, I highly recommend checking them out. The links are available in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you.